Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Glow Maker is probably one of the most talked about skincare products in the beauty world. Vitamin C serums are celebrated for their ability to transform dull skin into a radiant complexion. This video dives deep into the Maelove Glow Maker Vitamin C Serum, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and how it stacks up against the competition. We'll uncover whether this serum lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your skincare routine. Number 5. SeoulCeuticals Vitamin C Serum plus CE Ferulic Acid. This serum uses the same powerful ingredients as more expensive options. It's designed to combat the signs of aging, helping you achieve a more youthful look. With daily use, you can expect to see noticeable improvements within 3 weeks. The product is formulated for effectiveness, delivering visible results. The serum is specifically formulated to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and crow's feet. It works to smooth and rejuvenate your skin. This topical vitamin C also helps to fade sunspots, promoting a healthier complexion. It helps to even out skin tone and reduce discoloration. It helps to shrink pores, clear up acne, and prevent breakouts. The serum also minimizes the appearance of acne scars, perfect under Korean makeup. What we like? This serum boasts potent, active ingredients to combat aging. It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fade sunspots. If you're looking for a powerful solution to address visible signs of aging and achieve a more youthful complexion, this is a great choice. What people say. My skin looks noticeably brighter, smoother, and more even-toned. The 20% vitamin C with ferulic acid and vitamin E delivers real antioxidant power, just like the pricey brands, but way more affordable. It's the perfect first step after cleansing, absorbs quickly, isn't sticky like some alternatives, and layers perfectly under moisturizer and SPF. Number 4. Rock Vitamin C Serum and Eye Balm. Introducing the Rock Vitamin C Serum and Eye Balm. This serum is designed to brighten your skin and reduce the signs of aging. It's a great way to give your skin a healthy glow. The Vitamin C Eye Balm targets puffiness and dark circles. Clinically proven, it helps revive the delicate skin around your eyes. You'll see a noticeable difference in just a week. Rock offers a range of skincare solutions. From moisturizers to serums, they have products to address various skin concerns. They are dedicated to providing effective and innovative skincare. Whether you're dealing with wrinkles or uneven skin tone, Rock has a product for you. Their formulas are designed to meet your specific skincare needs. Discover the difference today. The Eye Balm has a patent-pending complex that delivers results. In just 4 weeks, many users saw brighter eyes and reduced dark circles. It's dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. Rock is recognized for its effective skincare solutions. They continue to research and innovate, bringing you the best in skincare. Experience the difference with Rock. What we like? This product is designed to brighten the under-eye area and reduce puffiness. It has clinically proven results for healthier-looking skin. If you struggle with dark circles or puffiness and want a product with proven effectiveness, you should consider this. What people say. The serum has a nice, lightweight texture. It absorbs quickly into the skin. It has a pleasant, light scent. Number 3. Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum 1.02 ounces. Introducing the Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum. This serum is designed to help you achieve a radiant and youthful complexion. It's packed with powerful ingredients to revitalize your skin. This award-winning serum works to tighten, brighten, and smooth your skin. It's perfect for those looking to address signs of aging, acne, or sun damage. Use it daily for best results. The serum is gentle and non-irritating, thanks to its stable form of vitamin C. It repairs and soothes your skin without causing any harsh reactions. You can use it with confidence. This lightweight formula includes hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. These ingredients work together to hydrate and protect your skin. It will leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Apply this anti-aging serum daily to improve your skin's texture. It helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration. See the difference with regular use. Mad Hippie creates natural skincare products that are cruelty-free and vegan. They harness the power of nature to transform your skin. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This serum offers an ultra-hydrating formula with anti-aging benefits. It is also cruelty-free and vegan. If you like a product that is gentle on the skin and aligns with ethical values, this is a great option. What people say. The serum has a nice texture and absorbs quickly. It has a lightweight formula that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. The product is effective in improving skin tone and texture. Number 2. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum. Discover instant hydration and a radiant glow with this award-winning serum. It's a brightening Korean face serum and makeup primer in one, with a lightweight gel texture. It provides immediate illumination without any gray cast. This hydrating serum features hyaluronic acid, a key hydrator, to give you supple, bouncy, and dewy skin. The thin, buildable texture makes it perfect for all skin types, even oily ones. Packed with niacinamide and watermelon, this serum uses protective amino acids, vitamins C and A to revive dullness. It minimizes pores, soothes skin, and helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. This watermelon-scented facial serum offers endless possibilities. Use it in your skincare routine, as a makeup primer, or as a liquid highlighter. The result is naturally glowing skin, perfect for any occasion. This product is made without parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, dry alcohols, and synthetic dyes. Like all Glow Recipe skincare products, it's vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring a sensorial and enjoyable skincare experience. What we like. This serum provides an instant dewy glow and is a hydrating serum. It also promotes smooth, even skin. If you are looking for a product that gives you a radiant complexion and preps your skin for makeup, you should consider this. What people say. It smooths fine lines and definitely leaves a dewy, glowing finish. It makes my face feel perfectly hydrated and elastic. Hydrate and not sticky, easy to use. Number 1. Naturium Vitamin C Complex Serum. This serum instantly hydrates your skin. It's clinically shown to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in just 4 weeks, based on a study of 32 people. You'll see a noticeable difference. The formula is highly concentrated, including pure L-ascorbic acid and kakadu plum. These ingredients help fight signs of aging. It works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum is appropriate for most skin types, even sensitive skin, but a patch test is recommended. Apply it evenly to your face, neck, and chest. Use it morning and night, avoiding the eye area. All products are pH level appropriate, made in the USA, and are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. It's also skin compatible and dermatologist tested. Most of the skincare is synthetic fragrance-free. Naturium is committed to providing affordable skincare essentials. The products use ingredients that directly benefit your skin's health. This supports the integrity and effectiveness of the formulations. What we like. This serum is clinically proven to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is an anti-aging treatment with hydrating properties. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a product that delivers visible results, this is a great choice. What people say. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, and I love that it doesn't leave me feeling sticky or greasy. I have struggled with hyperpigmentation caused by acne leaving scars behind, some hyperpigmentation from melasma, genetics, and just some sun damage for a very long time. Packaging is opaque and airtight, which is essential for vitamin C, which degenerates within a week once it's exposed to light or air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.